As we dive into general education, I want to give you a brief tour of the three different general education patterns. Let's get started with the CCC general education. When students are pursuing a general education, an associate's degree from Contra Costa College, let's say an associate's degree in nursing or automotive services, students take courses directly for those majors as well as general education classes. As a reminder, every degree requires a total of 60 units. Those units are broken down into three categories. The first category is general education. The second category, courses for your major. And then the third category are electives. Some students don't take electives because between major courses and courses from general education, it covers the full 60. For general education for an associate's degree at Contra Costa College, again, these are called our local degrees, such as automotive services, nursing, culinary, biotechnology, liberal arts. Every student must take English 1A or 1AX. Next, from Area A2, a student must take one course to meet oral communication and critical thinking. And you can see here there are several courses listed. So again, this is not, this is another time that our catalog can come in really handy. If you really want to understand what these classes are, for example, you could look up Philosophy 130 and learn what Philosophy 130 is before you register for it. But if you do take that Philosophy 130, it would check the box to meet Area A2. Every student needs to take a science course. Now here's the catch with some of the courses listed here. Some courses listed here like Biosci 110, 119, 132, and so on, actually have a lab built into them. You can still take them, but you're not required to have a lab to meet this requirement. So other courses like Anthro 140, Astronomy 120, Physics 110, Geography and Geology 120, those do not have labs built in, and they still do meet this requirement. Next, from Arts and Humanities, students are required to take one course from this list. You might notice here, if you take a look at the art, it says Art 101-275. That dash means any art course between the numbers 101 and 275. Believe me, y'all, there are a lot of them. So you have a lot of options to fulfill the Arts and Humanities requirement for Contra Costa College. Next is Social Sciences. Not quite as many courses as the Arts and Humanities, but still a lot. So a lot of courses here that meet that requirement. And then lastly, every student is required to take at least Algebra 2 or higher in order to complete the general education. The really cool thing about this requirement, though, is that if you took 2 semesters of Algebra 2 in high school and you completed with a C or better, we can use your high school transcript to complete this requirement. It's just that you will not receive those units. Math 120 is Algebra 2. Please note, however, that Math 120 is not transferable to a CSU or UC. So while it meets the minimum requirements for general education for Contra Costa College, it is not transferable and does not meet the minimum requirements for transfer math.